Types of content moderation. There are also types of content moderation that go beyond removing inappropriate material. Check out the different types that you can choose from. Pre-moderation. This is when content is checked and approved before it appears on the website. This way, you can ensure that all content meets your standards before it's released to the public. Live moderation. With this type of moderation, an assigned staff member will monitor the website or app in real time, removing inappropriate content as it appears. This type of moderation is great for sites with high levels of user interaction and activity. Automated moderation. This process uses algorithms to detect and remove inappropriate material. While this can lead to faster results than manual moderation, it's important to note that automated moderation may not always be accurate. Automated content moderation can quickly flag content for removal without allowing you to review it. Machine learning-based moderation. This process combines the speed of automated moderation with the accuracy of manual moderation. It uses AI algorithms to learn from user behavior and act accordingly, allowing for more precise content moderation decisions without human intervention. No matter which types you choose, content moderation is a great way to ensure that your website or app is safe and welcoming for all.